Welcome to our deep dive into Cryptonex, a leading cryptocurrency platform designed to make your trading and asset management seamless. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Cryptonex offers an all-encompassing solution for buying, selling, and storing digital assets. The platform prides itself on its user-friendly interface, enabling users to navigate with ease while accessing advanced trading tools. From a streamlined registration process to managing your portfolio, Cryptonex ensures that every step is intuitive. One of its standout features is its robust security protocols. With multi-layered encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure storage, your assets and data are always protected. Additionally, Cryptonex supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, catering to diverse trading preferences. Another highlight of Cryptonex is its low transaction fees, which make it a cost-effective choice for traders who want to maximize their profits. Combined with its transparent fee structure, you always know what to expect when executing trades. The platform also includes a built-in blockchain wallet, providing a convenient and secure option for storing your crypto assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Moreover, Cryptonex integrates advanced analytics and real-time market tracking to help you make informed decisions. The tools offered cater to both spot traders and those engaging in long-term investments. The availability of mobile and desktop apps ensures you can access your account anytime, anywhere, without compromising security or functionality. Ready to take your crypto trading to the next level? Explore the benefits of Cryptonex today and see why it's a favorite among traders worldwide. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like.